What's up, guys? Today we are gonna be doing a drawing contest. Well, not a contest, but yeah, my sister. I'm obsessed with this mic because my sister told me to draw some stuff. Yeah, she told me to draw a cat, I think, and I'm not gonna draw cats. So yeah, let's draw a cat, So yeah, let's draw a cat. Okay, let's get into this. So yeah, we're gonna be drawing a cat. Okay, we've got a piece of paper. So yeah, we've got our piece of paper and we're gonna be drawing a cat. So let's get into drawing the cat. So yeah, let's get into drawing. So yeah, let's get into drawing the cat. Okay, let's get into drawing a cat now. Let's use this. It's a black pen. So yeah, let's draw it. My wife's just hanging here. Let's draw a cat. I don't know how to draw a cat. I've got an idea. We're gonna be doing this. A drawing of a cat. That is impossible to draw. But you know what? Let's draw it. I have to draw this, so I'm just gonna put it there and copy it. So yeah, we're gonna do the head. This is gonna be and I have to keep clicking it because then the phone will turn off. This is probably gonna be the worst cat in the world. I can't do this. I skipped a bit of it because it was really bad. Okay, please, this is gonna be good. Okay. I need the other side. Oh, I just messed up. Don't judge me if this is bad because I don't know how to draw a cat. And that is bad. Okay, now the last step. The last leg. Wait, I just forgot we need the eyes. Whiskers. That. There. Isn't this just the best cat you've ever seen? Isn't this just the best cat that you've ever seen, mate? This is just the best cat that you've ever seen, bro. Bro, just look. Best cat. So yeah, if anybody subscribes, I will give them this masterpiece if they subscribe. I'll give them the masterpiece. I will send it to them if they subscribe. So yeah. Peace out. Subscribe them. Yeah, I'll give this to someone if they subscribe. It's the best cat. Definitely the best cat. Look at it. Definitely good cat. Subscribe, like this video, comment yes if you like my cat. Comment no if you don't like my cat. So yeah, see you in the next video. Peace out. Subscribe.